Hi everyone, here we've got TCL 20 SE, and let me share with you how to change voicemail notification sound on this device. So first of all, let's enter the dialer, and it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on this three dots icon and tap on the settings. Now we have to tap on the voicemail and enter the notifications. As you can see, here we've got advanced options, so let's tap on it, and under it we've got the sound, so let's enter. Here we've got the default notification sound, but we've just opened the full list of all available voicemail ringtones from which we can choose. What's more, we can tap on custom ringtone and you will be able to pick something from your own files, for example downloaded. So in order to listen how the particular one sounds, simply tap on it and you will be able to hear it. So if you want to, for example, set this one as your voicemail notification sound, all you have to do is simply make sure that it is marked and you can get back. And as you can see, it is notified right here that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone in order to notify you about the voicemail. So actually that's all. This is how to change voicemail notification sound in your TCL 20 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.